Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about our topic, talking about your day today.
Oh, nice. I like this topic. Talking about your day is simple. It is useful.
Yes, very useful. We do this every day. We talk about small things, we share feelings, we practice verbs. Today, we will talk slowly. We will use easy words.
Before we start, hello to all new listeners. Welcome. To our regular listeners, thank you for coming back.
And if you're watching, hi. If you're listening, welcome. We hope you feel calm and ready.
Okay, Zoe, let us start. I will tell you about my day today. I woke up at 6:30. The sun was not up yet. It was quiet. I lay in bed for a minute. I thought about coffee. I smiled.
I can picture that. I woke up at 7. My cat jumped on my chest. He wanted breakfast. He's funny. He always wakes me up. I fed him and then I made tea.
I love cats. My dog barked at the mailman yesterday. He is loud, but today he slept, so I had a calm morning. I made coffee, I boiled water, I put milk. I like my coffee black, but today I put a little milk. It tasted nice.
Sounds cozy. I like tea with lemon sometimes. Today I had green tea. It made me feel awake but calm.
I brushed my teeth. I took a short shower. I wore a blue shirt. I checked my phone quickly. I read one message from my friend. He sent a funny video. I laughed. Then I left the house.
I always check my phone too. It is sometimes a bad habit, but I like to see messages from family. Today my sister sent a photo of her garden. The flowers looked bright. It made me happy.
That is sweet. On the way to work, I walked. The weather was cool. A few leaves fell from the trees. I like to walk. It gives me time to think. I listened to a short song. I hummed.
I took the bus today. The bus was a little late, but I found a seat. I read a page of a book. I like to read during the ride. Reading helps the trip go fast.
At work, I had a small meeting. We talked about a new project. It is exciting. I felt a little nervous. New things make me nervous sometimes, but I also feel happy when I learn.
I understand. I had a busy morning with emails. I answered many messages. I made a list of tasks. I like lists. They help me feel calm.
Oh yes, lists are great. I made a list for lunch too. I wanted a sandwich. I went to a small cafe near the office. The barista smiled. He remembered my name. That felt nice. I ordered a turkey sandwich and a salad. The sandwich was warm and simple. I ate slowly. I enjoy simple food.
I brought lunch from home. I made pasta last night. I heated it in the microwave. Sometimes homemade food tastes the best. I shared a little with my coworker. She liked it. We talked about weekend plans.
After lunch, I had to finish a report. It took time. I drank more coffee. The words on the screen looked long. I stood up, stretched, and walked around. Small breaks help me focus.
Yes, breaks are important. I also take short walks. I walk for 5 minutes. I look at the sky. It is a small break, but it helps.
Later in the afternoon, I had a funny moment. I spilled a little water on my desk. I was careful, but my elbow hit the cup. Water went everywhere. I laughed, and then I cleaned it up. My coworker brought paper towels. He joked, "You are making a small lake." We both laughed. It made the day lighter.
Oh no, water. I once spilled coffee on my shirt before an online meeting. I quickly changed shirts. I was nervous, but the meeting went well. After the meeting, my friend sent me a sticker that said, "You survived." It made me smile.
That sticker sounds fun. After work, I walked home. The sky was pink. The air smelled a little like rain. I thought about dinner. I wanted something simple and warm. I called my mom. We talked for 10 minutes. She asked about my day. It felt good to hear her voice.
I love calls with family. I called my dad, too. He told me a small story about a bird at his window. He said it sang all morning. I smiled, listening. Family stories are small, but they matter.
Yes, small things make big happiness. In the evening, I cooked dinner. I made soup with vegetables. I like soup on a cool night. I chopped carrots, potatoes, and onions. The kitchen smelled nice. I stirred the pot and sang a little. Cooking is like a small joy for me.
I made a salad and some bread. I tried a new dressing. It tasted fresh. I ate while watching a short show. I relaxed. After dinner, I washed the dishes. I put a small plant near the sink. The plant looks green and calm.
After dinner, I did a little reading. I read a chapter of a book about travel. I love to imagine new places. I like to dream a little before bed. Then I wrote in my notebook. I wrote 3 things I was thankful for today. It helps me sleep well.
I like that idea. I write sometimes too. I write one sentence about my day. Tonight, I wrote, I had a warm tea and a good talk with my friend. Simple and true.
Now, before we go deeper into the topic, we want to remind you something. If you like this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends. Thank you so much.
Yes, please subscribe and like. Share this episode if you can. It makes a big difference. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, back to our day stories. Zoe, tell me, what made you laugh today? A small thing or a big thing?
A small thing. My coworker tried to use a new coffee machine. He pressed a wrong button, coffee sprayed a little. He looked surprised and then smiled. He cleaned it up and kept working. We all laughed softly. It was not mean laughter. It was a gentle laugh that made the room lighter.
Gentle laughs are the best. For me, the funny moment was the spilled water. It made me laugh because I was clumsy for a second, but it was okay. People were kind. That is what matters.
Yes, people being kind is important. Today, someone held the door open for me at the cafe. It was a small act. It made me feel seen. I said, thank you. He smiled. Small kindness feels good.
Small kindness can change a day. I once forgot my wallet at a store. A kind person paid for my coffee. I felt very grateful. I tried to pay them back, but they said, no problem, pay it forward. I still remember that day.
Pay it forward. I like that. I try to be kind too. Today, I helped a neighbor carry groceries. She thanked me and offered me a cookie. I said, no cookie. Haha, just kidding. I took the cookie. It was tasty.
Good cookie choice. Now, let's talk about feeling tired. Did you feel tired today, Zoe?
Yes, a little. I felt tired after lunch. My eyes became heavy. I took a small nap, just 20 minutes. It helped. After that, I felt better. Short naps can be magical.
I like short naps too. I sometimes take a short rest on the couch for 15 minutes. I set an alarm so I don't sleep too long. A short rest helps my mind.
The body tells us what it needs. Sleep, water, a walk. I try to listen to my body. Today, I drank more water after lunch. It helped me feel less tired.
That is a good tip. Drink water, move a little, stretch your neck, look away from the screen. Small things help a lot.
Now, let's share a small routine tip for our learners. How to talk about your day in simple English. You can use the past tense to say what happened. For example, I woke up at 7. I had tea. I went to work. Practice 3 sentences every day. That's enough.
Yes, 3 simple sentences. Start with the morning, then say one thing about noon, then say one thing about night. For example, I walked to work, I ate lunch, I read a book. Practice like this every day, you will get better.
Also, use feelings. Say, I felt happy or I felt tired. Feelings are easy words and they make your speech real. Try to say one feeling word each day.
Another tip is to use time words. Say in the morning, at noon, in the evening. Time words help your listener understand when things happened. You can also say then to show a sequence. For example, I woke up, then I made coffee.
Good. And if you make a small mistake, don't worry. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. The most important thing is to try and speak.
Yes, try and speak. Speak slowly. Use short sentences if you need. Use long sentences only when you feel ready. It's okay to mix. Real speech has both.
Now, I will share a bit more about a small emotional moment today. After my busy day, I felt a little lonely for a short time. I called a friend. We talked for 20 minutes about silly things. I felt better. Talking with a friend can warm your heart.
I had a small proud moment today. I finished a difficult part of my project. It felt good. I took a deep breath and smiled. Small wins matter. Celebrate them.
Yes, celebrate. Even small things are worth celebration. Did you do something fun after work?
Yes, I watched a short, funny video online. My friend sent a clip of a baby laughing. I laughed too. Laughter is good medicine.
Laughter is medicine. I watched a short dance video. It made me move a little. I danced while washing the dishes. It was silly, but fun.
Dancing while washing the dishes, classic. Now let's practice a short conversation for learners. I will be a listener, and you can tell me 3 simple sentences about your day. Ready?
Okay, I will say, I woke up at 7. I drank tea. I worked in the afternoon.
Good. Now add a feeling. I felt calm. That is perfect, simple and clear.
Thank you. Now you try. Tell me 3 sentences about your day.
I woke up at 6:30. I walked to work. I ate a sandwich. I felt happy.
Nice. Learners, try this at home. Say 3 sentences. Add 1 feeling word. You can do it in front of a mirror or with a friend.
Another helpful phrase is my day was, for example, my day was busy or my day was quiet. You can say this at the end of your short story. It sums up everything.
Yes. After you tell the small details, finish with 1 summary sentence. It could be, my day was good. My day was okay. My day was tiring. Short and clear.
Now we will share one small story from long ago that taught us something. I remember a day when I missed the bus. I had to walk a long way. I felt tired and a little angry. But on the walk, I found a small bookshop. I went inside and found a book I loved. That book changed how I thought about the city. Missing the bus felt bad then, but it led to something good. The lesson: small problems can lead to good things.
I like that. I have a small story too. One rainy day, my umbrella broke. I was wet and cold. I felt upset. Then a neighbor shared her umbrella with me and walked me home. We talked. She became my friend. A small trouble led to a new friendship.
See, life has many small turns. Sometimes we are sad, sometimes we are happy. It is okay.
As we finish, here are 3 simple questions you can practice with a friend. What time did you wake up? What did you eat for lunch? How did you feel today? Try asking and answering them.
And now a small breathing exercise before we go. Breathe in slowly for 4 counts. Hold for 2. Breathe out for 4. Do this twice. It helps calm your mind after a long day.
Good. Now let us say goodbye with a warm feeling. Thank you for listening. Tell us in the comments how your day was. Use 3 sentences and 1 feeling word. We love to read and learn with you.
Yes, please write to us. And remember to subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends. Thank you again.
Thank you, everyone. Take care. Sleep well if it is night for you. Have a good day if it is morning. Be kind to yourself. Small steps are progress.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep smiling.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep sharing. We believe in you.